Would you like to learn the parts of speech with little or no effort and have fun doing so? Then memorize Grammar Rap 1 and Grammar Rap 2. Grammar Rap 1. I know a noun. I know a noun. A noun names a person, place, or thing like a frown. A noun can also name an idea. Do you hear? Don't you know? Did you hear? Pronouns, words like he, she, and it, allow me to tell you what they permit. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. Pronouns prevent needless repetition, and that, simply put, explains the condition. I know a verb. I know a verb. A verb is nothing but an action word. A verb can also express the state of being. One verb, for example, is the word seeing. Now, adverbs can give you a little trouble if your efforts to learn you are not willing to double. How, when, where, and to what extent? If a word answers one of these, the adverb classification, it is sure to please. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns too. To write a good description, they are needed by you. Numbers are adjectives. Colors are too. So are several and many, just to name a few. And once you've learned them, you can say, just look at me now. I know these parts of speech. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs too. Now tell me kindly, what about you?